Every luxury product begins with a carefully managed agricultural journey.
Organization and animal welfare shape every stage before industrial processing.
Traceability ensures complete documentation from ranch to facility. The next chapter begins inside one of the world's largest leather production facilities. Strict safety and hygiene standards govern every incoming shipment.
Every delivery undergoes rigorous verification before acceptance.
Preparation begins long before luxury craftsmanship takes shape. Clean raw materials form the foundation of premium manufacturing.
Precision sorting determines the path of every future product. Now the transformation from raw material to luxury craftsmanship truly begins.
Inside this facility, precision begins long before craftsmanship.
Industrial cleaning prepares every hide for consistent quality.
Every natural material follows its own specialized process.
Controlled moisture ensures uniform downstream processing.
Technology supports the experience of skilled inspectors.
Automation improves consistency without replacing human oversight. Natural variation is carefully matched with premium applications.
Every material remains traceable throughout its industrial journey. Preparation gives way to transformation. The true manufacturing process begins inside these giant industrial systems. Controlled processing begins with consistency and precision. Every transfer is engineered for smooth, continuous production.
Mechanical precision prepares every hide for uniform thickness.
Uniform material is essential for premium craftsmanship. Technology ensures consistency beyond the limits of the human eye. Automation delivers repeatable quality at industrial scale. Time and control transform raw material into durable leather.
Each processing stage prepares the material for the next.
Careful rinsing protects both quality and consistency. The next transformation begins as preparation gives way to finishing. Precision climate control shapes the foundation of premium leather. Uniform drying preserves strength, texture, and flexibility. Controlled mechanical action enhances natural softness. Consistency is achieved 1 micron at a time. Every surface is refined to meet luxury standards.
Advanced imaging verifies quality with remarkable precision.
Protective finishing enhances beauty while preserving durability. Patience and precision complete every finishing cycle. The material is now prepared for precision craftsmanship.
Now every cut must meet the exact standards of luxury production. Precision cutting transforms premium leather into future luxury products. Every component follows a carefully planned manufacturing path. Fine edge preparation ensures flawless assembly. Small details define the character of luxury craftsmanship.
Skilled craftsmanship works alongside advanced automation.
Individual components become a single premium product. Precision hardware completes both function and elegance. Natural materials become refined design elements. Luxury is achieved through thousands of carefully controlled decisions. Every finished product must now prove its quality. Every masterpiece must first pass uncompromising inspection. Perfection begins with what the eye can verify. Digital precision confirms manufacturing accuracy.
Strength is measured long before customers experience it.
Reliability is engineered through continuous testing. Every moving component must perform flawlessly. Consistency defines true luxury manufacturing. Only the finest products earn final approval. Every luxury product carries its complete manufacturing story. Quality complete, each creation is ready for its final journey. Premium craftsmanship deserves premium presentation. Automation protects every product before shipment.
Efficiency continues long after production is complete.
Modern logistics preserve quality until delivery. Each shipment begins its journey to customers around the world. Careful handling protects every luxury product during transport. Precision manufacturing extends into precision logistics.
From factory floor to global markets, every journey begins here.
And this is how modern factories produce luxury white leather bags with polished white horn accents from start to finish.
Innovation, precision, and craftsmanship come together to create products trusted around the world.